Now we're going to look at how to add pages to our Google site. So when we come to our Google site, we're going to click on Pages, and we'll see already that it shows that there's a home page. We always start with a home page. We could stop there and just have one page, but we want to add more. We're going to go down to the bottom right-hand corner and click the plus circle. Often a website will have an about page. So you'll notice that shows up in our editing column, but it also shows up above in the navigation as well. So if I wanted to add another page that's called the goals, you'll see now that it adds that up above in my navigation as well. If I want to add sub pages to write down what some of the goals are, I can click on the three dots and then add sub page. The first goal is no poverty, or maybe I want to have another page that's zero hunger. And oh, I forgot to add that as a sub page. So you can also drag those around and get them underneath there. Oh, that one actually went as a sub page of no poverty, which isn't quite where I want it. So I'm going to drag that over. There it is. Now it's underneath there. You'll also notice at the top now, when I click on the goals, I have no poverty and zero hunger. So the navigation automatically instantly matches. When I click on any of those pages, you'll notice that it takes the title page that I've already made. So if I hadn't made any changes to my header or my title page, it would have stayed the same. A few other things that we can do, we can hide the page from navigation. So now you'll notice up here, it does not say no poverty. It just says zero hunger. I still know that it's here, so I could edit and make some updates and hide it from the public until it was ready. Or perhaps I just decide I want to get rid of it altogether. I can go ahead and delete it.